40 is about monstrosity. 40 is about how biologists have, throughout the 20th century especially, played the game of being Victor Frankenstein or Dr. Moreau, and they have created really, monstrous creatures of a whole variety of living things, from monstrous bacteria all the way up to bizarrely transformed vertebrates. Literally animals that glow in the dark in specific ways that enable them to see stuff, bizarre surgical concatenations of body parts, and so on. And for certain limited purposes, that's fine. If what you're trying to get at is something really simple and brutal, like, what do you need this organ for? Let's remove it. So you take the pancreases out of dogs, and lo and behold, they immediately have type 1 diabetes, wholly insulin dependent. So you've learned something what the pancreas does. But what aging is all about is the pervasive, subtle, and very complex loss of adaptation with adult age. And that is not a simple thing. To study that simple thing, to study the full complexity of aging is a profound challenge, which the methods that involve monstrosity, of novel mutations, of high levels of inbreeding, of teratogenesis, which means the production of monstrosity, these are not ways to approach this problem. Aging is a decline in health. It is a decline in Darwinian fitness as a function of age, your ability to survive and reproduce. It is not something about the basic or simplistic plumbing, which the Dr. Moreau methodology does work for. Instead, it requires the sensitivity to naturalness, which characterizes the Darwinian tradition.